Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can fix Messenger not showing active friends on TikTok. So here, if you go to the TikTok's inbox, you can see there are lots of your friends here at the chat or up here. And if you want to see if they are active or not, but you cannot see it, that's probably what because of the settings. So you need to find the privacy settings on your profile first. Click on the three lines icon at the top right corner, go to the settings and privacy, and here tap on privacy. You can see at the second one there's this activity status, and it's currently off on my TikTok, so I cannot see my friends if they are active or not on TikTok. So you can just turn it on. So when this is turned on, me and my friends will see each other's activity status. But if it's also apply if they turn this on. So let's see if any of my friends are online now. You can go to the inbox. If they are online, there will be green dots beside the photo here. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.